Hi. Today, we're going to see a free way to use Office tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. First, go to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click the first link. Scroll down a bit and click the Download button. Search for Office Configuration Tool. Click the first link. Here, I choose 64-bit. Then scroll to the Office Status section and select Office LTSC Standard 2021 Volume License. Scroll to the Language section and choose your preferred language. I choose English and click Next. Then, in the Installation section, choose Office Content Delivery Network, CDN, and click Next. In the Upgrade section, choose again Office Content Delivery Network and click Next. In the Licensing and Activation section, click Next. In the General section, click Next. In the Application Preferences section, click Finish. Then, click Export. And select Keep Current Settings. Click OK. Finally, click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, click Export, and the file will be downloaded. Next, go to File Explorer, right-click, select New, and create a folder named Office 2021. Move the two downloaded files to our folder. Then, right-click on the Office Deployment folder and select Run as Administrator. Then, accept the Microsoft Software License terms and click Continue. Then, browse for the Office 2021 folder that we created and click OK. Then, go back, right-click on the Office 2021 folder. Choose Cut, go to the local disk, and paste. Search for the command prompt, Run as Administrator, and type the first command, CDC, Office 2021. Then press Enter and type the second command, Setup x/configure configuration, XML, and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish. Finally, Office will be installed.